Hello video maniacs of all shapes, sizes, and colors. This is Practice Dummy. In this video I'm going to show you on how to mod Octopath Traveler. I have a few mods that I chose for my experience. There are other mods out there, but this will give you the idea on how to install mods unless there's a special way you have to do it. But this will be for Bazzite Linux. I'll have the link and the code in the description below as far as modding the game goes. So we'll start right off the bat. Click on the link below to go to the Nexus site. The Nexus site is free to sign up for, and you can download mods as is. There's a premium account which allows you to download faster, and also you'll be able to download collections of mods to streamline installation. Collections are based on who decides to create a collection and whatnot for those collections, so you can look into that. But we're going with the free accounts as far as the Nexus site goes. Alright, when you clicked on the link below, it'll take you to Better Descriptions. Click on the Files tab, and you want to click Manual Download. And then we want to do the slow download and wait a few seconds. And we want to save the file and save it wherever you want to. Alright, next thing we want to do is we want to extract that file. So go to wherever you downloaded the file at. And you want to right click, and I got multiple files here. I downloaded a newer version of the mod, but you want to select extract and extract here, and it'll give you this file here, betterdescriptions_p.pak. Now we want to install that, or basically install it. So we want to right click and select copy. Now we want to go into Steam and go to your library list, and I'm assuming you have Octopath Traveler installed. So we want to right click and select Properties. Want to go to Installed Files, and we want to go into Browse, and we want to go into Octopath Traveler, Content, and Packs, and then right click and select Paste, and you'll have it pasted right into there. Alright, what we want to do is go back and click on Home on the Dolphin file browser, which was opened up by us going through the path through Steam. Alright, and what you want to do is you want to select all of the code that's below there. Starts with System Settings and brackets, and select all the code by holding down the left mouse button and drag it until it highlights all the code. Then you right click on that selection and select Copy. And then what we want to do is we want to open up the Dolphin File Manager, which we got here, and you want to click Home, and then Local, Share, Steam, Steam Apps, Compact Data, and then your number may be different, but for Octopath Traveler for me it's 921570, and then the PFX folder, drive_C, users, Steam user, documents, my games, Octopath Traveler, config, Windows no editor, and we want to open up the engine.ini. Now you may right click on there and select Open With. And Kwrite, I believe, is the text editing program. And you'll have this top part here. Below it, and you want to separate by space, and you want to right click and select Paste, and paste all the code into there. And then you want to click on File and click Save to save the results. And that's all you have to do on that to install that. And so what we want to do is we'll go ahead and just open up and start Octopath Traveler. And I'm going to hope that my controller is wired in with nope. I have multiple computers here, and I switched the PlayStation 4 controller of mine to my newest laptop. So we're doing this by keyboard. And you're going to see that the depth of field is gone. And then, see if we can go into inventory here. And it'll give better descriptions of what exactly, like items. Whoops, go back into here. And like your weapons and armor. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tips and trick about adding mods to Octopath Traveler for Bazzite Linux helps you out and helps you enjoy the game even better. Alright, take care everyone. God bless you.